Good morning, dear students. Welcome again. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. In the previous video, we have discussed about history of Windows operating system and what is Windows 7 operating system. Now, today I will explain you some new features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has several new features and enhancement over the previous versions of Windows. Some of the new features of Windows 7 are Aero interface, improved taskbar, improved and faster search, libraries and gadgets. So let us discuss the features of Windows 7 in detail. The first feature is Aero interface. Windows 7 provides an Aero interface which has simplified the way we work with the Windows. Some of the features includes Aero Peek, Aero Snap, Aero Shake and Aero Flip 3D. Aero Peek is a Windows 7 feature designed to improve your experience with interface when there are multiple windows open on your desktop. It can save your time if you know how to use it. This feature lets you quickly view the desktop without minimize the open windows. To view the desktop without minimize the open window, just take your cursor to the right bottom corner of the desktop. Where we have the Show Desktop button. When we click on the Show Desktop button, then all the open windows will be minimized and desktop item will be displayed. It also provides a quick view of all the open windows in your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. For a thumbnail preview of the open window on the taskbar, place the mouse pointer on the program icon and point to the thumbnail. Place the mouse pointer on the program icon and point to the thumbnail. The selected window comes into focus and all other open windows fade away. Windows 7 includes several of features that can save you a lot of time. Foremost among them, a half window docking capability that Microsoft called Aero Snap. This feature lets you place windows side by side for making comparison. Aero Snap is a quick way for users to resize open windows by simply dragging them to the edges of the desktop. For snapping the windows, drag the window to the left or right side of the screen from its title bar till the time an outline of the expanded window appears. You can compare any two windows easily with the help of Aero Snap feature of Windows 7. Aero Flip 3D. This feature enables you to preview all open windows as a stack. To switch among windows, press the window logo key plus tab key together. Let's check out what is Aero Shake and how you can use it. This feature allows you to focus on one of the open windows without minimizing the other open windows one by one. Suppose you have multiple windows will be open on your desktop and you want to minimize all windows except one. You can see that in the diagram. Here multiple windows are open and you want to focus any one window. You can do that quickly using Aero Shake. You can minimize all your open windows to the taskbar quickly. Just hold the top of the window. You want to keep open using your mouse and give it a little bit shake. And all your other windows will be dropped to the taskbar. Now you can got a nice and clear view of the window you want to focus. Second and important feature of Windows 7 operating system is improved taskbar. The taskbar is now equipped with options that allow you to quickly access frequently used programs Some of these options include pinning and jump list. Pinning allows you to place frequently used program on the taskbar so that you can quickly open them without browsing the start menu. Jump list are list of files, folders or websites opened recently. Jump list may appear in the start menu or on the taskbar. To see the jump list from start menu, you have to click on start menu, then select application, then jump list will be displayed here with recently opened programs. To see the jump list on the taskbar, right click on the program icon on the taskbar, then jump list will be displayed here. Next and most important feature of Windows 7 is improved and faster search. Windows 7 offers new search features that has made searching for files and folders easier and faster. To search for files and folders, you can type your search word either at the top of any open window or in the search box on the start menu. When you start typing, the search begins automatically. The libraries features in Windows 7 provide a center place to manage files that are located in multiple locations throughout your computer. Instead of clicking through a bunch of directories to find the files, you need including them in a library max for quicker access. Windows 7 provides mini programs called gadgets that can be displayed on the desktop for quickly accessing information. The gadgets includes clock, calendar, slideshow, feed headlines, weather updates, etc. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of new features of Windows 7, Aero interface, improved taskbar, improved and faster search, libraries and gadgets. In the next video, I will explain you customizing Windows environment. Thank you.